As part of a $1.6 million grant program, Citizens Bank, along with Mayor Dave Bing and the Detroit Works Project, launched the Call It Home initiative. Media Genesis was called upon to brand, design, and build the website and create some of the signage featured at the August 2011 press conference that launched the initiative. For this project, Media Genesis created an idyllic image of downtown Detroit, embodying the initiative goals with beautiful homes and picket fences. Due to the success of our work, Citizens Bank requested a similar illustration of the state of Michigan. The new scene gave us the opportunity to create a more complex, real-world perspective. The challenge of developing a multifaceted scene from a specific viewpoint would be time-consuming for any artist. But by selecting the right technologies, we were able to deliver this project quickly without compromising quality. Using the modeling software Blender, we created the buildings and landmarks of Michigan with mesh models, three-dimensional representations made up of two-dimensional shapes. Blender offers tools that allowed us to warp buildings and capture a fun, abstract style promoting the sense of optimism represented in the original illustration. The built-in ability to render these models from various angles allowed our designer to fine-tune the perspective. Our designer produced this scene from several angles, and the rendered images were provided to the client for review. Here, we see the angle that we used to create the final design. We took the rendered image into Photoshop, where we produced the vibrant colors and attitude of the original illustration. Along with the paintbrush tools, we used imagery and textures. Photoshop offers vector shapes that improved our ability to enlarge segments of the illustration without noticeable degradation. Our designer used the hot air balloon in this composition as a canvas for the colors and striped pattern of the Citizens Bank logo, subtly highlighting the client's presence. Finally, we applied a grain overlay to give the impression of a traditional illustration created with graphite, watercolor, or colored pencil. At last, we had a design with a unique perspective that retained the qualities of the original image but was significantly greater in scope and execution.